Priceline Hotels. Enters honest review. Watch before using. Most people get Priceline wrong. They think it's only for last-minute hotel deals. The surprising truth is how much flexibility it offers for flights, rental cars, and bundled packages, and you won't believe how much you can save with their express deals and bidding tools. Here's how it works. Priceline allows you to search and book hotels, flights, rental cars, and vacation packages. You can compare prices, choose refundable or non-refundable options, and access exclusive deals through their app or website. For example, a family planning a week-long vacation can book a hotel, flight, and car together, often saving hundreds compared to booking separately. Most people get this wrong. They assume it's just for cheap hotels, but Priceline provides premium accommodations and luxury packages as well. Additional features include price alerts, user reviews, and the Name Your Own Price tool for hotels, allowing you to bid for a better rate. Their loyalty program also offers discounts for repeat customers. However, there are considerations. Express deals are non-refundable, and the hotel name is revealed only after booking. Most people assume full flexibility with discounted options. It's not always the case, so read the fine print. In conclusion, Priceline is ideal for travelers who want convenience, flexibility, and savings in one platform. Its bundled options, deals, and variety of travel services make it a strong choice for both budget and premium travelers. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of travel booking platforms.